ECLER adds to the essential series of products its new digital audio matrix, eMIMO616. It features a new highlight, an embedded control software that allows to manage the device in a very easy way through any web browser. It is equipped with 16 inputs and 16 outputs, turning the eMIMO616 into a perfect solution that sets a wide range of possible configurations and different control modes, especially through smartphones and tablets directly from the eMIMO Pilot application, compatible with iOS and Android as well. Even further, it has the possibility of being managed through wall panels remotely from different locations. Thinking ergonomics, ECLER innovates with the embedded control software eMIMO web app in order to make a user-friendly interface managed through any web browser. All of these features make the eMIMO616 alongside the eMIMO Pilot application a powerful tool extremely easy to use and with a lot of possible administrative levels for the right solution regarding routing audio signals in shopping centers, big retail stores, museums, and corporate or public buildings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit ecler.com for more info.